Hey everyone! Today, I'll guide you through the process how to add motion blur in DaVinci Resolve 18. Let's get started. Start by moving the playhead to the frame where you want the blurring to begin. Then, head to the Color tab, typically found at the bottom. Select the third control in the middle group, the Window control. Choose the shape that best fits the area you want to blur. I'll use a rectangle for the license plate. Position the shape over the object you wish to blur. Adjust its handles to neatly encapsulate the area. Next, access the Tracker control. Initiate the forward tracking to track your object until it leaves the frame. Now head to the Blur control. Increase the blur radius to your preference to effectively conceal the area. When you play this back, you'll see a nicely blurred part of your video in DaVinci Resolve. This script offers a clear, step-by-step guide on how to blur a specific part of a video using DaVinci Resolve 18, walking viewers through the process of selecting the area, tracking, and applying the blur effect. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like it.